Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today we're unboxing the Noctua D15 chromax.black. So I took out my water cooling in my system, so I only have this Corsair Cooler Master Q12 Evo, which is not enough for the 5800X, so bought this one. So you know, before I forget it, you know, has the specifications here, you know, really nice box, you know, all the features. So this is basically the black version of the D15, which, you know, looks nicer. So here's the accessories and mounting system. Let's take a look at that later. Really nice foam, and I hope you guys can see something. Well, anyway, here's the inside. So I think the coolers, maybe let's take it out like this. Yeah, good idea. Fan fell out. So basically the box is very well packaged, you know. So let's put the box away. Here's the extra fan. If you get the D15S, you don't get the extra fan. But you know, it's like 10-15 euros more, so why not? The fan is already worth that much, maybe even more, so I don't see a point of not getting it, although the difference isn't that big. This is big and huge and beautiful. It's a BBC, a big black cooler. Sorry. So let's try to get it out somehow. It's pretty hard, to be honest, to get it out. Now maybe like this. Yeah. That seems to help. But it's coming up. Anyway, I'll take this out. So that's the place so the heat spreader doesn't get dirty, and that's the cooler. So then this thing is like enormous. Well, it's basically two, I think, what's the U12s together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heat pipes going to the both towers, fan in between, and then you can attach one to the side. Anyway, now let's take a look at the accessories. Okay, so I'm gonna take this away. So this has the Securefirm 2 mounting system, which is pretty much the best in the industry, at least according to Linus. So instruction manual signed by the CEO of Noctua. I don't know. Oh, these are all like for different AMD LGA 11 5X and LGA 20X. So this should be the hardware for mounting. A big screwdriver and Allen wrench or something. Here are the more mounting stuff. And the back plate. That's for Intel. So AMD uses the default one, which I have to find from somewhere. Anyway, so to get it back in here, but we can teach it later. And here are the other accessories: thermal paste, low noise adapters, and let's see what else. So the extra fan brackets, double-sided Dave Noctua badge, looks pretty nice actually, like it's, might put it on the case toe. And here are a voice splitter, and these are the low noise adapters. So that's it, and thermal paste. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, see you in the next video.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in